force. Wealth.
Precision.
The journey of money. Let's start. Money begins its life in the fire. Raw metal bars for making coins. Feeding the furnace with coin metal.
Melting metal at 1200 degrees.
Pouring the liquid money metal. Cooling into a solid metal strip. A coin metal coil weighing 10 tons. Lifting the heavy money coil.
Rough metal ready to become coins.
Engineers watch the money metal.
Rollers squeeze the coin metal. The money sheet gets thinner. Precision thickness for the coins. A highway of shiny coin metal. Punching out the coin blanks. Thousands of coin blanks per minute.
These discs are called planchets.
Recycling the scrap coin metal.
Sharp edges on the coin blanks.
Moving the money blanks to heat. Heating to soften the coins. Glowing hot coin blanks. Cooling the coins in water. Washing the coin blanks. Bright and clean money blanks. Creating the coin rim. The rim protects the coin face. Drying the money blanks.
Checking for bad coins.
Ready to become real money.
Designing the new coin image.
Sculpting a giant coin model.
Scanning the coin relief.
Carving the master coin die.
Lasering details on the money die.
Polishing the money stamp.
Hardening the coin die.
Chrome plating the die.
The coin stamp is ready.
Loading the money press.
Striking 700 coins per minute.
Tons of pressure makes the coin.
Metal flows to form the money.
A coin is born. A waterfall of money.
Perfect heads on the coin.
Intricate tails on the coin. The coin edge is formed.
The sound of real money.
Fusing two metals for the coin.
Proof coins are special.
Mirror finish on the money.
The coin is still warm.
Millions of coins produced.
Moving the money to check.
Scanners check every coin.
Rejecting bad money.
Recycling the bad coins.
Double checking the money.
Counting money fast. Counting accurate to the cent. Wrapping coins into rolls.
Boxing up the money.
Giant bags of heavy cash.
Weighing the shipment.
Lifting the heavy treasure.
Loading the armored truck. Protected by guards.
Rolling out to the banks.
Safe inside the bank vault.
Fresh coins at the bank.
Money in your pocket. Saving money.
Heads or tails?
Using the money.
Coins have value.
Old money versus new money.
The circle of money.
A symbol of trust.
Everyday treasure.
The factory that makes wealth. Old money is reborn.
From fire to money.
The journey of a coin.
A shiny piece of the future. Building wealth.
Collecting the art.
Money moves the world. Built to last.
The sound of success.
Thanks for watching.
Stamp that subscribe button. Ring the bell.